Right guys, I just want to do a little vlog. I want to put something out there and kind of get some feedback on it from you guys. I do want to try and make more of this channel. I am actually trying. I know it probably seems like at times Grizz doesn't bring a lot of cool stuff, and I know a lot of you, as you've already told me, you're really happy. You're happy with like what we put up, but I want to try bring you more. I don't know exactly what more equals, but I do want to try bring you more. Maybe it'd be like cool if we had intercoms and other bits and pieces, and I don't know, more cameras. I don't know, just so it can be a bit more immersive for you guys of our experience of what Taffy and I do. Yeah, and it's difficult, I guess, financially for us to kind of make it all happen, you know, because we both have kind of average jobs. I say average, we're both on minimum wage. But it's enough, you know, for what we do, and you know, we love what we do and we love what we have, and we're not ungrateful and all the rest of it. But I would always like to try and bring you guys more, and it would be nice sometimes if we had some more money to put into the channel, to invest in, and like I say, just bring you some better vlogs, you know. Maybe some tours eventually. I don't think health-wise I can really do it this year, sadly. Definitely not financially. So yeah, I'm thinking more so for the long term of kind of outlook for the channel. I just want to try and bring more to the channel and more fun stuff, maybe some track days, which, you know, it's just things that we just don't have the money for. So what I want to do, or what I'm thinking about doing, and what I would like some feedback on, is trying to kind of give the option for you guys to, I don't know, if you want to kind of invest or kind of spend some money on 6 gear, Grizz and Taffy, and enable us to do more fun things and bring more fun things to the channel. Now, I really don't know how to go about this. I did some time ago set up a Patreon account, but I've just never really, it's never felt right. I just don't feel like I really give enough to the channel, and there's enough videos to kind of warrant, or us say like, wow, or we have enough kind of subscribers, I don't know, to kind of warrant saying, yeah, we've got Patreon, help us out if you want to. It just doesn't feel right. But I want to bring more, but there's only so much financially Taffy and I can do, you know. So I'm thinking about making that an option. I've also come up with a design, which I'll show you in a bit, which is just one of me on the BMW for kind of some artwork. Come on, Taffy. That's it, my love. Well done. Yeah, so that's one. I've got kind of one set of artwork I've had made up. I need to do another similar one with Taffy in mind as well. So maybe we can sell, I don't know, t-shirts, hoodies, some kind of, I don't know, key fobs. I don't know. What do you reckon, guys? I'm just really putting out the feelers and wanting some feedback from you guys to like, just, I don't want to insult or upset anyone or like sound like we're groveling for money, because we're not. I could continue with the channel in the way we have for a long time yet, you know, but it would be cool to bring more cool things, you know. To be honest, one of the main things I would love to do for the channel at the moment is for Taffy and I to have intercoms, now that she's got a camera, and we have another camera on her on the front of her bike, and we can have something a bit more even more immersive and more fun for you guys to watch. That I would like to do, but that isn't cheap, you know. For a good intercom setup, I don't know, what is it, £200 to £400? I don't really know, to be honest. Another camera, not cheap. So yeah, I just want to do more, guys, and bring more fun things to the channel. But monetary wise, we are not struggling, but it's not really fluid enough for me to make it happen. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Come back to me, talk to me, please. And I guess also from another standpoint, I know there are some some of you that want to help and support the channel, and kind of simple ways you can do without even, you know, donating or giving or spending with us if we did go down that route, is just to like and comment on the video, and, you know, maybe share it around or something. I don't know, don't get me wrong, it's a bit of a nose. I appreciate if you'd like, I don't know, interact or something on the video. We do get a good all amount of interaction. I'm very thankful for all of you that do take part. It never goes unnoticed. There she is.
Hello.
The taffy. Alright?
Alright? You alright?
Want a race?
Are you alright? Is it raining?
Want a race?
Race?
Yeah, want a race?
You're so gonna lose. You loser!
Come on, mate.
Oh no, no racing now.
No racing. So, yeah, I wanna, you know, as I say, think about that. I've lost my train of thought now. But yeah, things you can do to help the channel. How do we get paid? Well, to be honest, we don't really get paid. We don't really get paid. We get about $5 a month. I think I have once taken a payment out of YouTube for £60, because it's every £60 you can take money out of your kind of YouTube account. I've done that once in 4 years, and I think I'm just about to build up to another one. So yeah, and that's like what, £120 I've made out of YouTube over the last 4 years. And I don't know how much I've put into the channel. It doesn't really actually matter, because a lot of it is just us going out riding. But things like the cameras and stuff, you know, they're not cheap. None of it's cheap, but it is. I'm not complaining, guys. As I say, it's something I've always felt a little bit torn on, because it's something I do in my spare time for fun and enjoyment, and I do enjoy doing it. My laptop needs upgrading as well, to be honest. That's knackered. So yeah, whatever, let me know what you think, guys. Sorry, it's all a bit mixed up, my conversation. I guess I'm a bit tired and not really very sharp today, but I do want to keep pushing, and I do want to keep trying for you guys, bringing more videos and making it more fun. I know when I had a chat with Phil over at Vauxhall, Drive Vauxhall in Western, he sorted me out with the car. He was saying, like, the one suggestion I could make is that you give Taffy a camera. Well, I've done that, but for it to really work, we need an intercom, because at the moment we're just kind of talking blind. Can't really have a conversation. Both of our bikes are too loud. Also, anything we'll do anything. We'll do product reviews as well. So if you want to kind of get some products out to Grizz and Taffy, we'll do product reviews, talk to you about clothing, accessories, whatever. Oh shit, that wasn't a very good gear change by Grizz. So yeah, jump on board with Grizz and Taffy while you can, because we're like little hotcakes just waiting to be eaten. Someone's gonna yum us up. No, they're not really. But anyway, you know where I'm coming from. If someone wants to get involved, you know, then give us a shout. You know, DM me and all that stuff, as they say. Yeah, contact me. It would be interesting. I would like to do more, bring you guys more fun things to watch, and also make the channel grow more, you know. That's the plan anyway. I want to try and turn this fun thing into more of a bigger fun thing, and just kind of bring you more, just for me to kind of do more things. I'm not even looking for money, to be honest. Money would help us do things, but you know, it's just the things I want to do. I don't want the money really, but I guess they both go hand in hand, don't they? But yeah, I'm talking rubbish, I know it. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Grizz, please finish this vlog. Save me. Yeah, okay, I think Grizz has said enough. Thanks for watching, everyone. Love to you all, and we'll speak soon. Cheers all. Bye.